Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's episode we will be doing some trout fishing. I've got my casting Centron with a little Joe's Fly spinner on it. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm going to be fishing this little creek here. Might be some brookies in here from the spring and some browns. So hope you all enjoy. And again, I'm almost to 500 subscribers. I said this in my last video. If you guys could subscribe for me, that would really help me out. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you at the creek. Good brown. There's a good brown sitting in that hole right there. I got two good strikes. See if I can get him. Oh! Oh, I lost him again. There we go. There we go. I did not expect that to be... Oh, he's gone. I mean, you guys all saw him. First fish. Smacked it. He came up out of the water and spit the hook. But I'm going to count that as first catch. Very good trout. Oh, there we go. Holy cow. Oh, that's a very good trout. Oh, slipping. Oh, he just popped off. Perfect. Alright guys, beautiful brown trout. He's gone. Oh, never mind. Beautiful brown trout, guys. Such a pretty fish. Those reds are so nice. See you, bud. Alright guys, I know there's more in there. I just got another swipe. I know there's more in there, because I got swipes from smaller trout way before the that big one struck. Oh, got him. Little red-sided shiner. Came out, crushed it, got stuck in these weeds here. It's a PB red-sided shiner. Pretty guy. Bye. And it just flew at me. I may have saved myself though, it was coming right for me. And it instead did not hit me. There we go. Net real quick, net. In the net. Oh, he's gorgeous. Fish is gorgeous. Alright, beautiful little trout, guys. See you, bud. Alright, my friends. I snuck around to the other side of the hole. There's this big old sunken log. Baby brown trout right there. It's kind of cool looking. I can fish here. Seems to have nothing though. As I got a few good casts in there. Did not get a bite. However, I can use this as cover to almost just keep me shielded from any of the trout that might be on the other side. There we go. Ah. Creek chub. This is just a tease. There we go. Holy crap. Do not jump, please. Oh. Another good one. Not as big as the other one, but another marvelous fish. This is a beautiful brown trout. I removed a hook for him out of his jaw. We are going to release this beautiful trout. See you, bud. I wish nothing more than you to stop flopping and me to put you back in the water. Oh. Oh. Just got attacked by something. Got that into a good little spot there. There we go. Good trout. Oh, God. My rod got tangled in a tree above me. Little trout. Crap. There's a lot of trout following that. There we go, guys. I'm not even gonna net this guy. I'm gonna unhook him super quick. Real pretty trout. See you, bud. Look at this. It's a good little hole. Oh, there's so many in there. Oh, I had another one. One more. One more cast. There we go. Another good one. Not gonna net him either. Good trout. Beauty. See him? See you, bud. There we go. There we go. Nice trout. He's fighting me through this entire hole. Came up and crushed it. Oof, gorgeous. Must take a picture of this guy. He really got that hook, but beautiful fish. Caught last time on the fly rod I was here, and was very hoping. Oh, wow. Another one. Another gorgeous fish. Bye. Here. Didn't even get any action in here earlier. There we go. Strong fish. All right. This one. Oh, wild. Beautiful wild. Big fat wild. Thought he was stocked. Going to get sent off. 6 or 7 fish. No, 6 fish. If no, 6 fish I have caught from this flight back, moving incredibly quickly. I was literally at a running pace on my way back. I stopped at 2 holes. Caught 3 out of one, 3 out of the other. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I believe that my numbers today were somewhere around 10, 11 trout. I caught a lot of them towards the back half of the trip on the way home. But unfortunately I lost my net, which was sad. But it was a good day and I had fun. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one.